Welcome to Santorini, Greece. This beautiful island is known for its stunning sunsets, picturesque villages, and unique volcanic landscape. If you're planning a trip to Santorini and wondering what to do, you've come to the right place. This guide will explore the best things to do in Santorini, from visiting the charming villages to hiking along the scenic trails and tasting the island's unique wines. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, Santorini has something for everyone. Let's dive in and discover the best things to do in Santorini. Discover the charms of Oia village, where every corner is a postcard-worthy moment. With its white houses, blue domes, and magnificent sunsets, Oia village is a beautiful and picturesque village located on the northwest tip of Santorini. Its whitewashed houses and blue dome churches are set against a stunning Aegean Sea backdrop. It is known for its iconic sunset views, charming narrow alleys, and bustling local art scene. Step right up to the fiery shores of Red Beach, where the sand is as red hot as the sunsets, and the cool waves are just a ticket for a refreshing splash. Red Beach is a unique and beautiful beach located on the southwestern coast of Santorini. It comes from the red and black volcanic pebbles covering the shore and cliffs. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and snorkeling in the crystal clear waters and admire the stunning views of the Aegean Sea. Indulge in some retail therapy or enjoy a night out in the buzzing heart of Santorini. Fira is the capital of Santorini and is located on the island's west coast. It is a bustling town filled with shops, restaurants, and bars, and is a popular tourist destination. Visitors can take a cable car ride down to the old port to explore the area by the sea or hike along the scenic trails to enjoy the beautiful views of the CALDERA. Step into the past and discover the secrets of Santorini's ancient civilization at the Museum of Prehistoric Thera. The Museum of Prehistoric Thera is a must-visit attraction for history buffs and anyone interested in the island's fascinating past. The museum is home to a vast collection of artifacts and exhibits that date back to the Bronze Age, offering a glimpse into the lives and culture of the people who once inhabited this island. From intricate frescoes to pottery and jewelry, there's no shortage of stunning treasures to discover there. The museum is located in the heart of Fira and is easily accessible from most parts of the island. Discover the ancient wonderland of Akrotiri Archaeological Site, where every corner is a fascinating history lesson waiting to be learned. The Akrotiri Archaeological Site is a well-preserved Minoan Bronze Age settlement located on the southern coast of Santorini. The site was covered in volcanic ash and preserved for centuries, giving visitors a glimpse into the life of the ancient civilization that once inhabited the island. Visitors can explore the city's ruins, view ancient artifacts, and learn about the island's history. Light up your Instagram feed with a visit to Akrotiri Lighthouse with its stunning panoramic views of the Aegean Sea and picture-perfect sunsets. This is one attraction you won't want to miss. The Akrotiri Lighthouse is situated at the southernmost point of the island. It is one of the oldest lighthouses in Greece, with a history dating back to 1892. The lighthouse tower is 10 meters high and is accessible by a steep flight of stairs, but the breathtaking views of the island and the Aegean Sea from the top are definitely worth the climb. It's a great spot to watch the sunset and capture beautiful photos. Set sail and soak up the sun and the stunning views on a boat tour around the CALDERA, where adventure, relaxation, and jaw-dropping sights collide. A boat tour around the CALDERA is a must-do experience for visitors to Santorini. The tour takes you on a scenic journey along the rugged coastline, past towering cliffs, and through crystal clear waters. Along the way, you can admire the stunning views of the CALDERA, the charming villages perched on the cliffs, and the iconic blue domes of the churches. We are Travel Pug, your travel guide around the world. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on more videos here in Travel Pug. Raise a glass and get ready to sip your way through the heavenly flavors of Santorini's finest wines at SANTO Winery, where every sip is a taste of paradise. SANTO Winery is a renowned winery located in the village of Perivolos and Santorini. The winery offers visitors the opportunity to taste a variety of local wines, learn about the history and production of wine on the island, and enjoy panoramic views of the Aegean Sea. From its terrace, it's a great spot to relax, unwind, and savor the island's flavors. Get ready to hit the beach and feel the sun on your skin at the stunning black sand beaches of PERISSA and KAMARI, where relaxation, fun, and the perfect tan await. PERISSA and KAMARI are two of the most popular beaches in Santorini. They are known for their unique black sand and crystal clear waters, as well as the lively atmosphere and abundance of beachfront bars, restaurants, and shops. Visitors can enjoy a variety of water sports, relax in a sun lounger, or take a stroll along the coast to soak up the stunning views. If you're looking for other beach options, you can soak up some serious Santorini vibes at the stunning Perivolos and Vlychada beaches. Perivolos and Vlychada are two of the most beautiful beaches in Santorini. Perivolos Beach is known for its black sand and crystal clear waters, while Vlychada Beach boasts a unique landscape of volcanic rocks and cliffs. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and water sports on both beaches, and there are plenty of beach bars and restaurants to relax and enjoy the scenery. Strap on your hiking boots and get ready to embark on a scenic journey through the mesmerizing landscape of Santorini on the Fira-Oia trail, where adventure and breathtaking views are around every corner. The Fira-Oia trail is a 10-kilometer hiking trail that connects the two charming villages of Fira and Oia. The trail takes you along the cliffside, through small settlements and past vineyards, and offers stunning views of the CALDERA, the Aegean Sea, and the surrounding islands. It's a popular activity for visitors who enjoy hiking and want to explore the beautiful landscape of Santorini on foot. Get ready for a journey through time as you discover the fascinating ancient ruins of Thera, where you can immerse yourself in Santorini's rich history and culture. Thera, also known as Ancient Thera, is an archaeological site on a mountain ridge in Santorini. The site contains the remains of an ancient city that was inhabited from the 9th century BC until the 8th century AD. Visitors can explore the city's ruins, including the agora, temples, and ancient houses, and learn about Santorini's fascinating history and culture. Take a dip in the hot springs. The hot springs in Santorini are located in the caldera, a volcanic crater that was formed after a massive eruption thousands of years ago. The hot springs are believed to have therapeutic properties due to the high concentration of minerals in the water. Visitors can take a boat tour to the hot springs, where they can swim in the warm waters and enjoy the unique experience of bathing in a natural hot tub. It's important to note that the hot springs are not actually hot, but rather warm due to the mixing of hot and cold water. Step into a world of tradition and charm as you explore the beautiful villages of MEGALOCHORI and PYRGOS, where the past meets the present, delightfully and unforgettably. MEGALOCHORI and PYRGOS are two picturesque traditional villages in Santorini, each with its own unique charm and character. MEGALOCHORI is known for its historical architecture, narrow alleys, and beautiful churches, while PYRGOS is famous for its stunning views, medieval castle, and traditional houses. Visitors can wander through the villages, soak up the local culture, and enjoy the relaxed pace of life on the Greek islands. Raise a glass to adventure and indulge in the flavors of Santorini as you take a wine tour through some of the island's finest vineyards and wineries. A wine tour in Santorini is a must-do experience for anyone who loves good wine and stunning scenery. The island is home to some of the oldest vineyards in the world, and its volcanic soil and unique microclimate make it an ideal location for wine production. Visitors can take a guided tour of the island's wineries, taste the local wines, and learn about the fascinating history of winemaking on the island. Satisfy your taste buds and indulge in the delicious flavors of Santorini. Try the local cuisine, where every dish is a feast for the senses. Santorini is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide variety of local delicacies that reflect the island's rich culinary heritage. Some must-try dishes include fresh seafood, fava bean dip, tomato keftedes, and the famous Santorini salad with cherry tomatoes, capers, and feta cheese. Visitors can also sample the local wines, which complement any meal perfectly. Set sail into the sunset and experience the magic of Santorini from a whole new perspective on a catamaran cruise. Taking a sunset catamaran cruise is one of the most popular things to do in Santorini, and for good reason. It's a chance to take in the island's awe-inspiring natural beauty from a unique vantage point. As you glide across the calm waters of the Aegean Sea, you'll get to see the famous CALDERA and dramatic coastline with stunning views of the sunset that will take your breath away. Many catamaran cruises also offer a chance to snorkel or swim in the clear blue waters, and some even provide a delicious dinner and drinks as you watch the sun go down. It's the perfect way to cap off a day of sightseeing on this beautiful island. As our journey exploring the best things to do in Santorini ends, it's hard not to feel a twinge of sadness at leaving such a breathtakingly beautiful and culturally rich island. From the stunning caldera views and charming villages to the ancient ruins and delicious cuisine, Santorini truly has it all. But before you go, would you rather take a boat tour around the caldera at sunset or explore the Fira-Oia trail during the day? Let us know in the comments below. Whichever you choose, you are sure to have an unforgettable experience in Santorini. So whether you're planning your first trip or a return visit, be sure to add these amazing activities to your itinerary and discover Santorini's unique and captivating beauty for yourself. We are Travel Pug, your guide and forever travel buddy. If you enjoyed and loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!